Salamun Alaikum. During last Prophet Salamun Alaihi and his companion, how many kitab they followed during their time?
السلام عليكم. طبتم مباركا طيبا. ربي أعوذ بك من همسات الشياطين وأعوذ بك ربي أن يحضرون. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والسلام على عباده الذين اصطفى. ربي زدني علما. Thank you very much, my dear brothers, for your asking the question. The question is, how many books were followed by Slamun Muhammad and his companions, all Sahabas, radiallahu anhum. As per Quran, according to the Holy Quran, if we go through the detail, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been explained in the Holy Quran and ordered in many verses to follow the Quran alone, to follow the Quran only. And I am going to present here many of them. That means there are so many verses. I am going to quote some verses of them. That is in Surah Anam, Surah number 6, verse number 155. وَهَذَا كِتَابٌ أَنْزَلْنَاهُ مُبَارَكٌ وَهَذَا كِتَابٌ أَنْزَلْنَاهُ مُبَارَكٌ فَاتَّبِعُوهُ وَاتَّقُوا لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has been commanded to Muhammad Slamun Alaihi, this is a book, that means Al-Quran. I myself have revealed, which is full of blessing, that means fully blessed. Mubarakan. Quran is such a book which is full of blessing, full of well-being. So you must follow it. That. Fattabi'uhu. Who singular pronoun. And it is called in Arabic grammar Domir Mufrat. That means singular pronoun. Fattabi'uhu. You follow, all of you. Fattabi'u plural number. You follow, all of you. That means Muhammad and his companions, all Sahaba, believing people, men and women. Just you follow that. That means you follow the Quran only. So Allah has emphasized here, specified here, just you follow the Quran alone. And be careful about this thing. That means be cautious and careful regarding following the Allah's orders, Allah's measures, Allah's rules and regulations of the Holy Quran. And don't go astray. If you follow the Quran alone, then you must get the mercy. You must receive the mercy of Allah Almighty. لَعَلَّكُمْ تُرْحَمُونَ. You must receive the mercy of Allah. So these verse clearly spoken here and clearly proven here, that you must follow the Quran only. And Salamun Muhammad followed the Quran, the only one book. The question is, how many books? Only one book, that is Al-Quran. And you will get any other document, any other proof, any other evidence that will be found in Surah Araf, Surah number 7, chapter number 7, verse number 3. Ittabi'u ma unzila ilaykum min rabbikum. Ittabi'u is a plural number, imperative order. It is an imperative order, direct speech. You just follow, you must follow what has been revealed to all of you. From you robe, all sustainer, all cherisher, all maintainer, all provider. Just follow what has been revealed. So, those books of hadith, conventional hadith, books of hadith, what is going on, what are there here, which are not revealed, which are not documented by Allah Almighty, but authenticated by Allah Almighty. But Allah has ordered, commanded the believing people, you just follow what has been revealed. And what we are declaring for being a Muslim, for being a mu'min, we are supposed to declare, we are bound to declare this, like as per Quran in Surah Baqarah, Surah number 2, verse number 136. Ulu, you just say, all of you, you just say, Amanna billahi wa ma unzila ilayna wa ma unzila ila Ibrahim wa Ismail wa Ishaq wa Yaqub al-Asbab. Just you say, we have believed in that what has been revealed upon us and what has been revealed to someone Ibrahim, Ismail, Ishaq, Yaqub, and their offsprings, ancestors. Amawutya Nabiyuna, Amawutya Musa is what has been given to Musa and Isa, and what has been given to all the prophets and apostles. Salamun ala Mursaleen. So we are bound to follow the rebel book, and Salamun ala Muhammad had been followed the Quran only, and he is true companion, Muslim companion, and Muslim Sahaba. That means radiyallahu anhum, alladhina amanu ma'ahu, they followed absolutely, undoubtedly, entirely the Quran only. So if we claim that, you are following Sayyidina Muhammad, then you must follow the Quran only. And those mullahs are saying we are following Sayyidina Muhammad, we are obeying him. That is fully wrong. There is false statement because they are following many more books, several books, rather than the Quran alone, Quran only, Quran singly. But as per Salam Muhammad's declaration, as per saying or tradition or practice of Salam Muhammad and his followers, we will have to follow the Quran only. And Salam Muhammad has been followed the Quran, the book of Allah alone, that is Al Quran. Assalamu alaikum. Mubarak.